Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Roblox randomly closing. Were you trying to access your Roblox, or you are going through your Roblox and you notice that your Roblox just off on its own or close on its own? Here's a few steps you have to take. The first step is to go to your browser. For this video, I'm making use of my Chrome browser. So right here, you just type in Roblox window. If you're making use of an Android, you just click on the Roblox. So right here, you just have to download this Android version of the Roblox. Having done that, just click on it and download it. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is, I already have it on my phone, is to go to your phone. So right here, my phone settings, all I have to do here is to go to my app management, select my app list. So from here, I just have to search for a Roblox. So just click on it. I have to clear my storage, clear my cache, possibly clear my storage, and when you do that, it's going to help you regain your Roblox, gain access to your Roblox. So you just do that. You can also restart your phone before going back to open your Roblox. With this step, I believe you'll be able to have full access to your Roblox. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.